What's up everyone? Today I have another live trading session for you guys with a very nice $375 profit. I recorded the range chart again for you guys. So if you want to know how I made my money today in 25 minutes, then keep on watching and watch the whole video. We also will encounter microsecond sell-off, how I dealt with that and how we managed to survive. Find it out. Let's go. Okay, so market opens in 5 seconds. Okay, here we go. First order in. Let me activate my alert sounds. All right. Stop loss and take profits are activated. Okay, I'm ready to sell the market. So the buy stop is no longer valid here. And this is the reason why I now start to enter market orders in those triangle formations here. Because fortunately we are not entered short yet. Probably would have been stopped out now. So good thing that I am trying market orders in those triangle formations. Okay, this candle will close soon, and then I wait for the close of the next bar to enter long. Here, this one, again by market order. Pretty slow session here today. I'm not quite used to those slow trading sessions anymore. The last few weeks have been very volatile since the start of January, so it's quite something different this time. I don't think that we will sell off again. I am quite sure that we will get filled. It's actually pretty rare that we get a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th triangle bar that closes down here. It's possible, but it's very rare. So I think the probability is like 90% that we're gonna get filled on a long order eventually. But I will wait until I get a clear confirmation signal here in the range chart. And since the probability is so high that we're gonna get filled long, I could in theory now use a buy stop, but I think I'm not gonna do that. I will try to get in market order to get used to it. Okay, wow, we are actually selling off again. So maybe we're gonna get filled short. Let's see. Okay, I'm getting ready to sell market. Okay, short entry. A little too low. Actually 2 ticks too low, which is not good. Stop loss in. And that's like the risk you get when entering market. Okay, that's the risk. You get the entry a little too low. Okay, it doesn't matter. Let's see if we can continue with the sell-off. We have to break those lows here, which won't be easy. And we are filled. First 10 tick take profit. Very nice. Even though we got in a little too late, the 10 ticks are still there. That's what I want to see. Okay, perfect. First 10 ticks in. Now let's see what the market is doing now. Get rid of the stop loss here. So long orders so far only up here at the 68. I was a little too sleepy on the entry here. So in those triangle formations where I want to start going in market order instead of buy stop or sell stop, I need to be a little bit more awake, even faster. So I think we're going to go long now. I'm also looking at the 1 minute chart and it seems like we might get a stop fish here. Maybe next time I will show you the 1 minute chart again. Today still in the range chart where I execute, I'd say, most of the trades. But I also want to keep an eye on a time-based chart to really see when each minute is closing. And if you watched my last weekly recap of week 2, then you probably know that I also implemented a fixed 16 tick stop loss because that is the maximum I'm willing to risk on a trade. I want to cut each loss a lot faster, usually at around 8 or 10 ticks loss. But in case everything goes wrong, I want to have a fixed stop loss at 16 ticks. And this is the solution to a problem I encountered in last week's recap. So now let's use this measurement tool once a bearish bar printed, because then I'm able to measure exactly where the buy stop needs to be in those situations where we are not printing a triangle formation. Okay, we're about to close. Probably gonna close here. 4 ticks. Yes, this would be the close of the candle's body. So the sell stop would be here at the 52 if we are closing short this candle. Should this candle go long, which looks like it, then the sell stop is not longer valid probably. So it seems like we are kind of establishing a little range. I told you that I anticipated the market going long somewhere down here. So it did. But this is not the approach I'm trading, so I'm not acting on it. So let's delete the sell stop. This is now the new structure high. Again, I would wait for a confirmation bar. This bar won't be my entry bar in either case. I'll wait for the next one to not get stuck in a triangle formation, and I will execute market. Not with stop order, because as we can see, this is like the perfect example. Market went 5 ticks below this bearish range bar and did not open the short bar, but went long again, would have been stopped out. Actually would have went 30 ticks against us. This is definitely not what I want to be part of. So I will start trying to execute manually to not get faked. Okay, sell stop is out. That is good. And I have to get ready now for market order long. This will be my entry bar if this bar closes bullish. I have to be awake now, like being awake in the microsecond. And here we go. Very nice entry. We catched the entry on the close of this candle's body, exactly where I want to enter. So I'm totally fine. This market long worked pretty good. Now I did my job. Now the probability is hopefully for us. Stop loss is set. Let's move upper point of interest a little higher to make some room. Okay, come on buyers. I would close somewhere down here, but hopefully we can see some long momentum, and short entry would be down here. And we are filled. Second 10 ticks. Pretty decent start to the day. Let's try for one more. But first of all, we have to wait for a retracement. I'm very happy with the entry, exit, everything as planned. In this trade, we were only like, it went 3 ticks against us right at the beginning, and then we were in constant profit. That's what I want to see. About 17 minutes into the trading session. Works quite all right. So let's get rid of the stop loss. Short entries for now, only below the 57.5. Long entries, none. So we made a first retracement bar. Let's see. And there's a second one. Okay, we're going long again. Buy stop in above those tops. This is the new short level. This buy stop is not longer valid. Sell stop is in. Now let's stay focused. Let's stay awake. We want to catch one more winner. Let's not make any stupid mistakes here. In the 1 minute, the current bearish candle has no upper wick. So the chances are that we gonna at least test the 69.5 again, would be up here. And then the chances are quite high that this candle will print bullish. But this all could come different. Okay, we are very close. Okay, wow, what happened there? Am I filled correctly? Yes, I am. Guys, did you see that? Let me delete that. Okay. Close button, no open orders. You have to see that in the 1 minute. Look at the 1 minute chart. Look at this candle. It actually spiked lower in a microsecond and my chart was not able to load. Look at that. Actually, the range charts are not even loaded here. I sold right here. Fortunately, I had my buy stop already in. Fortunately, okay? Now imagine I try to short that by market order. Not even possible, okay? So market orders have definitely their disadvantages, okay? In this case, I got very lucky. I had in my sell stop. Now look at that rapid sell off here in the 1 minute. Crazy. And I took those 10 ticks. Sell stop was executed and fortunately we got filled. Isn't that more than 10 ticks? No, exactly 10 ticks. Okay. So not that lucky to get more out of it, but 10 ticks, it's totally okay. 3 times 10 ticks, my trading day is over. Not even half an hour into the trading session, to be exact, 24 minutes. So fortunately, I did not execute that by market order. I would have had no chance. Changing my plan for those triangle formations. Watch last week's recap to find out how I got a problem with that. How I today actually would have entered here today. On this bullish bar, I would have entered at the lowest tick if I would have used the buy stop, okay? I would have put it in 5 ticks below this candle's body and we would have been filled and stopped out miserably. But because I noticed that there's a problem in those formations, I found a solution, executed by market order. And even though that has a little disadvantage that we can get some kind of slippage and I actually went short 2 ticks too late, we still got our 10 ticks in profit and did not lose the 16 ticks I probably would have if I went in with buy stop order. So this bad auction was immediately equalized. Pretty standard price action order flow stuff. I took my 30 ticks today. So now a quick look at the account balance. Today we made $375 and if I recall correctly, that is the biggest amount we've ever made on this challenge in one day. Balance, you know, it can change from day to day depending on the current exchange rate. So if you want to see the real balance, we kind of take a look in TraderSync in the next weekly recap. This is approximately our account balance and this is the money we made today. Very nice. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's live trading episode. Everything is completely real and authentic here. Leave a like and subscribe to the channel to not miss out on future videos on my $100,000 trading challenge. We see us in the next video. Have a great rest of the week. We see us then. Take care of yourself, guys. Bye bye.